morning, reception. Today's writing challenge is to draw a picture of Burglar Bill and any adjectives, any describing words to write them underneath. So I'm going to have a go at drawing Burglar Bill so that you know what I want him to look like. So I'm going to do his face, and I'm going to give him his black glasses here. He's got big black glasses that you can't see who he is. Sorry, my painting skills aren't great. So there is his black glasses, and he wears a little hat, doesn't he? Like this. He looks like an artist already. And then I'm going to draw his body, just so that you know what I want you to do. Let's give him some shoulders. Yours will be much better than mine though. And then I'm going to make his top all stripy, like it is in the story. Like this. And then I'll give him his legs. So we'll give him some legs. And we'll give him some shoes. And then he's missing some hands. So let's give him some hands. 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers on each hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. And then I'm going to write here at the top, burglar. Burglar Bill. Bill. And then I'm going to think of some words that I could use to describe what Burglar Bill looks like. So at the beginning of the story, he's a little bit naughty, isn't he? He's doing things that he shouldn't be doing. Little bit. Oh, I don't know what happened there. He's a little bit naughty. Oh, it's very hard to write it on here. And because he's a burglar, he's a little bit sneaky, isn't he? Breaking into people's houses. So he sneaks around doing that. So I'm going to write sneaky. But then, boys and girls, when he finds the little baby, and he wants to look after that baby, doesn't he? So I'm going to write there that he's a little bit kind. And then, what I'd like you to do, once you've done some describing words, you could write the word stripy, because he's wearing a stripy jumper. You could write the word black, because he's got black glasses on. And what I'd like you to do then is I'd like you to write me a sentence for an extension. So your sentence could say, Burglar Bill is kind but sneaky. Or Burglar Bill was a little bit naughty but then kind. So that's what I want you to do for your literacy work today. Okay, I'll see you all soon. Bye.